Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Ford Transit and Mercedes Sprinter cargo vans. We'll delve into their core differences, examining everything from their practical cargo capabilities to their driving dynamics and available technologies. My goal is to provide a clear, concise overview to help you determine which of these popular workhorses aligns best with your operational requirements and budget. When it comes to hauling, cargo space is paramount. The Ford Transit offers a substantial cargo volume, reaching up to 487 cubic feet, with a maximum payload of around 3,668 pounds. The Mercedes Sprinter, however, often provides a bit more, with up to 533 cubic feet of cargo space and an impressive maximum payload capacity of up to 6,812 pounds, making it a strong contender for heavier loads. Under the hood, the Ford Transit typically offers gasoline V6 engines, with options reaching up to 310 horsepower, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. The Mercedes Sprinter primarily uses diesel engines, with a high output option providing up to 211 horsepower. Drivers often find the Transit offers a more car-like driving experience, while the Sprinter stands out with its available four-wheel drive, ideal for challenging conditions. Considering cost, the Ford Transit typically has a lower starting price, making it an attractive option for many businesses. However, the Mercedes Sprinter may incur higher maintenance costs over a 10-year period. Feature-wise, the Transit often includes standard in-car Wi-Fi and the Sync infotainment system. The Sprinter counters with its advanced M-Bux infotainment and a suite of sophisticated driver assist and safety technologies, offering a premium experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.